All right, let's see if anything ready out here. So we grab one of these watermelons. Man, that one has really grown since the other day. This one here, it's really grown. They these worms all over the place. I can't stand worms. And the cantaloupes. Ready? Not that I can see for its cantaloupes. But let's find one of these melons to go ahead and grab. Which one I want? Let me see. Where you at? There's a big one over here somewhere. Right yonder. I'm not gonna try to reach that one, so I'll just get this one over here. This one here. Take it in the house. See if it's ready. It should be. I guess it's about as big as these things get. There we go. First watermelon harvest. Sweet potato slips everywhere. Still haven't got the potatoes out the ground yet. Because it's been raining over the last few days. Charlie looking all bad. Of course, kale been gone. All the squash vines dried out. Got some sweet potato slips over there. Maybe done with the cantaloupes. I see one. We probably got about 2 or 3 left over there. As far as the cantaloupes, that's about it. We've grown a total of 23 cantaloupes so far. And I know telling how many watermelons. I hadn't counted these melons yet. But anyway, so we got one here. The first melon, I'm gonna go and throw it in the refrigerator. And I may record a video. Show me cutting it up, and maybe do a taste test. Anyway, man, this place is, these little worms are everywhere. Look at that. Can't stand those things. We got millions of worms out here. I don't know, y'all. I don't know if it's a plague or what, but I don't like this. Anyway, thank y'all for joining me, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Stay safe. All right, y'all, so I cut this watermelon open as promised. And she's a beauty. Nice and red, deep red. Let's see how it tastes. Gotta do this with one hand. Grab me a fork. Okay. Now this is very sweet. Very good watermelon. If I remember correctly, I think this is called Sweet Baby watermelon. They don't get very big, but as we see, they get sweet and nice and deep red. So anyway, just want to go ahead and come back with this video of me tasting this watermelon. And of course, it is good.
Good morning.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and let Madam taste the watermelon. She got a bowl full here.
Don't let them lie to you and tell you there's such thing as called seedless organic watermelon. Because when you dig it from the ground and get it out the ground, look at all these seeds in it. This is natural. This is organic. Organic means nothing's been touched, no chemicals, no nothing. It automatically comes with seeds.
Non-GMO, no such thing as a organic watermelon without seeds.
Organic anything.
That's deception.
If it's seedless, it is not organic.
That's right.
But anyway.
Stay away from GMOs.
This has lots of seeds. You can take these seeds and replant them and get more watermelon.
And that's what they're trying to avoid.
Sow them or sell them.
That's what they're trying to avoid. That's why they're pushing that, seedless watermelon, so you can't grow watermelon and harvest it yourself.
Very crunchy. You guys can't hear it. Which watermelon is this? Sweet Baby?
Sweet Baby, I think that's Sweet Baby.
Very red.
It's our first time growing this one.
Very sweet.
Yep.
But I'm country.
Put some salt on it.
So you put a little salt on it, bring out the sweetness.
Sweet and savory. It's watermelon, y'all. Gotta try growing it yourself. Look at the garden in the background. Looking very rough.
I love watermelon.
Nothing like homegrown watermelon.
I love watermelon.
So
When I was pregnant with my mini-me, I ate watermelon every day.
Yep. It's like I'm a shovel right there. About to head to the backyard and dig these potatoes out the ground finally. Hopefully, anyway. Like I said, because I said hopefully because the backyard is infested with those disgusting little worms. And I don't like worms. They freak me out. They're creepy.
So, Superwoman to save the day.
Yeah. Anyway, y'all, so that's homegrown seeded watermelon, not seedless. That's organic seeded watermelon.
If it came from the ground, it automatically has seeds in it. You will not see any kind of vegetable or anything grown straight out of the ground that does not have seeds in it. It took seeds for it to grow. It's going to produce seeds when it grows.
All right.
All right. See y'all later. While I enjoy the rest of this watermelon.